Hello there. What do this power drill, disco music, and that Nissan Primera have in common? Well, they all make an irritating noise. Welcome to CarSpyTV. So, we have a vibration slash rattle coming from the back of the car, and my first thought was that it was caused by something in the boot rolling around, because we do have quite a few bits and pieces in there. So I emptied the boot, went for a drive, but the noise persisted, so it's not that. Anyway, let's now start the engine and listen for the noise. So the problem seems to be the exhaust. It's not blowing though, there are definitely no holes in it. But what we have intermittently is excessive vibration from the rear silencer. Yeah. Okay, let's see if we can fix it. So once more, we're crawling around on the floor under an old Nissan. Need a torch. Okay. And hopefully we can see what's going on without having to jack the car up. Let's have a look. So there's the tailpipe at the end of the silencer. Well, let's have a look down here, see if we can figure out why there's a rattle. Well, that's one of the rubber exhaust hangers. There must be another one of those around here somewhere. Yeah, there it is. That thing there. I'll tell you what, let's just bang the exhaust with my fist and see what's going on. Oh, that could be it, look. Yeah. I think that piece of metal there is banging against this one. Let's have another look. Yeah. That could be the culprit. We are going to have to jack the car up a bit because we need more space. So we'll put this chock under the front wheel. There's one the other side of the car as well. And now lift it up into the air. Okay, up we go. Carefully, of course. Arise, Nissan, arise. So, what we need to do is figure out a way to separate those two bits of metal so they don't bang. And I think the first thing we'll try is just adjusting this exhaust bracket a bit. By the way, the car isn't just supported by that trolley jack. I have added some additional supports to minimise the risk. So don't worry, everything will be okay. We're struggling for space here. There's not enough room for my hands, the screwdriver, a camera, a microphone, and a torch so we can see what's going on. But nonetheless, we shall persist. Come on, you little... I think we're getting somewhere now, which is good news. And now it's got a mouthful of mud. Lovely. I don't know what happened to the owl here. The poor fella seems to have passed out, presumably from the stress of fixing the Primera. It's all right, mate. It's only an exhaust pipe. You'll be okay. Maybe not. Look, a serious injury. I've lost at least a gallon of blood there. Anyway, if we look back under the car, we can see, hang on, where's my screwdriver gone? Where is it? Oh, there we go. We can see there's now a gap there between the two pieces of metal. The screwdriver can slide in there. And now, when I bang the exhaust with my fist, there's no irritating rattle. That's encouraging. So let's start the car and check the exhaust sounds okay. Now, I wouldn't normally start the engine when the car's suspended, but I don't want to remove the supports, lower the jack and go through all that faff only to find out it needs a minor adjustment. So we'll be careful, and of course we won't go back under the car. So we'll fire up the mighty 2 litre. There we are. Sounds okay so far. Let's have a listen from round the back. That is a lot better. Anyway, that's it. But before you go, don't forget to subscribe to CarSpyTV. That makes it easier to find my other content. Can you also please do me a favour and click like on this video, and I'll see you next time. That's going in the bin.
Hold your horses. It turns out this isn't the end of the video. Long story short, this evening I drove the car around for some time without any funny noise from the back, but then the noise did return, and that was simply because that rubber exhaust bracket had slid back out of position. Therefore, even though I didn't get home until 10:30 and it was dark and cold, I did something about it. Specifically, I fitted this metal Jubilee clip to stop the rubber exhaust mount moving, and that should definitively, and for all time, fix that rattle. I'm off to bed.